Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shruti Saburi. I have heard a lot about volcanoes this week, and since childhood of course, we have been seeing in news or television, etc. It might be our worst day in your calendar, but still, we hate this doing every alternate day. Doing what? Packing your garbage, waiting for a truck to come and collect it, and it's my duty in my home. All the younger kids out there, I feel you and I'm with you. I don't know what is it to you, but it sounds crazy to me. I was thinking about this too long and understood that garbage has been collected and disposed in a large landfills or sometimes outskirts of a city. I mean every time. So what if the land is filled and there is no space to put up all the garbage? I mean not exactly now, but maybe in future. I heard volcano is one of the most unforgivable natural phenomena of Earth. If you ever fell into this magma-filled center, your body would quickly bubble up and disappear without even a trace. Wait a minute. What am I talking? I say garbage, I say volcano. You got me right. The idea is, what is it like to throw a garbage in a volcano and get rid of it? Isn't it exciting? Actually, yes to me. So watch the video completely and let's get started. We make a lot of garbage and we really don't know what to do with it. Why don't we do something like throwing it into a volcano so that they disappear or bubble up, as I said earlier. But there are really some couple of reasons we should consider before such decision. The first one on the list, we need to send our garbage, pack all the garbage and send it to your nearest volcano, which is expensive. I mean, we are from India, it is pretty expensive. Some cities burn this trash in incineration plants and use that heat to make electricity. Okay, whatever, but since we are far from volcanoes and we may not afford just to reach it to put garbage, why don't cities near those volcanoes can utilize it? So it's not really about only the money, but the volcanoes are not usually the eruptions or bubbling pits or exposed lava. They are dangerous and their eruptions are really violent. It is not just like we see in movies or cartoons, but there are some slow-moving lavas, like they actually look safer, but when clumps of organic material or organic matter like food scraps are thrown into that lava, they actually do not just burn that, but they explode. Sometimes when plastic burns, not sometimes, all the times when plastic gets into lava, it does not just explode, but it releases some dangerous fumes when burned, and it is all another problem again. The world produces 1.2 million tons of waste every year. By the end of 2100, we will produce 3.6 billions of waste every year. There are only about 1500 active volcanoes across the world. There are some certain types like shield volcanoes or stratovolcanoes. Coming to shield volcanoes, they are slowly erupting volcanoes, like they slowly come out of the mountain and spread on the earth. Stratovolcanoes are known for their explosive eruptions caused by the pressure of hot gas and magma. So they are probably not the safest location for dumping the trash. Do you think that's a correct idea to dump inside? No, it's not. Things only get worse when you start throwing garbage inside. They will trigger a chain of explosive reactions with pressure and acidic steam, and that's not cool.
This is what throwing trash into a volcano look like. All those explosives. Chain of reactions.
I mean, even if you safely trash your garbage into volcano, you still have to worry about air pollution. And this whole thing, this whole idea is terrible. Okay, now that's my answer to my question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for such innovative doubts and answers. Don't forget to like, share and comment down below. Bye bye. See you all in my next video.